Hello, this is Gary Barnes from Creative Hands Home Services. 301-736-0061 is our office number. 240-416-5068 is our direct mobile number. And admin@creativehands4u.com is our email address. That's admin@creativehands with an S. The number 4, letter U.com is our email. And www.creativehands4u.com is our web address. And today, that is also the number 4, letter U.com. So today we're back in College Park, Maryland, where we are doing some repairs. You see some parging on the joints, on the stairs. We've done some painting, exterior painting, and still have a few things to actually do. So we're going to finish the point up on the stairs today. See, the handrails have had 2 coats of Rust-Oleum paint put on them. They were rusting kind of badly, and so they were sanded, brushed down, and then 2 coats of Rust-Oleum put on them. And Rust-Oleum can call me to do a video piece if they'd like. That's what I'd like. But anyway, back to the parging. So here, what you see is the point-up work. It'll dry. We'll give it about 48 hours to actually dry. It's a little cold out here, and not cold enough for the actual material to freeze, but it is cold out here. And so we want a good dry surface to be able to prime and allow another 2 coats of paint to put on them. And various other repairs being done around the property. So Creative Hands Home Services, this is Gary Barnes. You can give us a call in the office for all of your repair, your Super Handyman repair and remodeling project needs. 240-416-5068 is our mobile. 301-736-0061 is the office. www.creativehands4u.com is our web address, and our email, admin@creativehands4u.com. Thank you, and we look forward to making you a customer in the near future.